Welcome back, friends. Today I'm going to tell you how to use WhatsApp in PC. So today, and it's very simple. The very first thing you have to do is you have to go to Google, right? And just type WhatsApp web here. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, please. And you will get this website open. And now what you have to do, in the rightmost corner of your mobile there will be three dots. You have to just press WhatsApp web. There are so many options, बहुत सारे options है, new group, new broadcast, WhatsApp web, everything. I have to just click WhatsApp web and the camera will be opened. You have to just show to this security code, and this is how everything will be appearing here. And if you wanted to, like, this is how you can work on, and this we generally use it when we have work in your PC and you would like to keep in touch with your WhatsApp also. And if your mobile is charged, and you can just keep your mobile in charging, and you can just start using your WhatsApp in your web, and it will keep charging there, and you can just use this. Okay. And if you wanted to chat with some person, like say for example I want to chat with my brother, so I'll just put this and I can just start typing messages like hi and all, and nothing great, nothing, simply messaged. Okay. Next, if you wanted to search any messages, you can message. And if you wanted to attach, you can attach like photos, videos, camera. You can take camera and then document, contact, etc. And this is like, if you wanted to mute or clear messages, like I want to clear messages, you can just clear it off. And these are the features which you can use it directly. This is for starting a new chat, something like that. You have a new, like, names, right? So you can just select and you can start. And if you wanted to see status, you can just look into status and all. And if you have updated any status, that will be visible here, and number of views, everything will be visible, and you cannot go back here. Just close this. And this is how this feature works, and this really helps you when you're working and you're just doing and your mobile is charging. And thanks for watching this video, and you do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you, friends.